So just got back from taking the bags down to Disney Springs for check-in. So I thought I'd do a tour of the room. 5339. So it's a nice spacious room. 2 big double beds. Very comfy, bit high, but very comfy. Nice big TV. Chest of drawers, 3 large size drawers, keep your clothes in. Fridge, keep things nice and cold, nice size. Bench to get ready with. His and hers sinks, gives you plenty of room. You've got extra pillow and blanket, iron, an ironing board, place to hang up your clothes. Safe in here, it's good size. Normal sort of enter 4-digit pin, press lock, locks it for you. And we've got the bathroom. Nice sized bath, nice shower. These are the toiletries that you get. Very nice. Toilet. Back to the front, you've got a nice view out onto the green in front, bit of condensation. And then a little table for your breakfast and your food. Overall, it's a nice hotel, lovely room. Big problem is noise. If you're in 1st and 2nd floor, you've got at least 11 rooms that are around you. And if that's the case, you get 11 toilets making this noise at all times. Which up late into the evening and from early morning can get a little bit tedious, but everyone's got their own preference. It wasn't for us because we like to have a nice background noise in the room, but it just took the shine off of it a little bit. But still a lovely hotel, one that we thoroughly recommend.